Today, I'll show you how to create a flicker text reveal animation in CapCut PC. This effect adds a flashing appearance to your text, making it look glitchy, cinematic, or dramatic. Let's get started. First, go to the Text tab and import a default text onto your timeline. Now, on the right side editing panel, customize the text style to match your project. You can adjust the font, size, and color to fit your theme. Next, go to the Animation tab, click on the In tab, and search for Flicker. This effect makes your text appear with a stylish flashing effect, perfect for suspenseful or futuristic edits. Now, adjust the duration slider to control the flicker speed. A shorter duration makes the effect quick and sharp, while a longer duration creates a subtle and smooth flicker. And that's it. You've successfully added a flicker text reveal animation in CapCut PC. Experiment with different fonts and colors to make it unique to your style. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips.